Hi everyone! In today's video we are going to talk about the PT-B. It's a new device that we're going to apply on our dental chairs and attach to our systems. This device has mainly two functions, the scaling and the air polishing, and is a device that is used in hygiene field. It's an upgrade of the old PT-A, so this one is the PT-B. The functionality is very similar, but with more smooth operating mode. We test this machine for much time. The results that we got are very similar to other brands we used to test also in the past, and we can say that the functionality is very similar between the well-known brand in the market. This is made by Woodpecker, one of the biggest company in the world regarding the scaling system. If we compare the quality and the operating mode of the different system, this one is very similar to those that I mentioned before, and there is one end very important, that is the price. The price is much cheaper than the other brands. After testing this machine, we decided to put this one in the market. Of course, we are not the producer of this brand, but we prepare this machine on our dental chair or different applications that you can use in order to create your ergonomy during the day. In this video, I would not talk about the quality and the operating mode of this machine that is quite popular. You can find also a lot of video on YouTube or in other web pages. I don't want to talk about the functionality because it's quite simple, and what I want to explain is how you can connect this machine to the different device that you have in the clinic and which option you can choose. Basically, this machine can be used as it is, so you just need to connect water, air and electricity, and that's it. So you can just apply on a table and work with it. But for the daily use, it's not so comfortable to work with this one on the table. The first option that we offer is to apply this on a dental cart. It's a cart specifically made for this machine. So you can apply this machine on the cart and you can go around wherever you want around the dental unit that you already have, for example. In this case, we offer the cart with all the connection that you have to do on the existing dental chair, or you can attach to a wall, for example. It's always air, water and electricity. The third option that we offer is a specific solution for hygienists, is the dental chair standalone, so only the dental unit with the lamp if you want, or with the monitor and so on, but it's basically only the seat with the cart and this machine attached to the standalone unit. Is the first very simple solution that is useful in the market. Another possible solution is to connect the cart and this machine on our dental chair. So basically you will have the entire dental unit that you can use every day for the daily use and different purpose, but prepare with the connection and the cart and this machine to be attached to the dental chair. In this way you can have a very full range of functions that you can use with the dental chair. So the basic function that the dental unit can give, like the spittoon, the lamp and all the instrument, plus this cart that you can attach in that chair or another unit. The last solution that we did in the past also with other brands is to apply this machine directly on the dental chair. So you will not have the cart, but you will have this machine on the instrument tray basically. So we create a specific instrument tray for this machine only. In this way you will have a specific dental unit for hygiene. It's not a very popular solution, but is the one that is getting market, especially in the northern country like Germany, France, also Italy, even is not so north, Denmark, Sweden and these countries where they use a lot this system. And there are also specific clinics just for hygiene, and in that case, as we did in Hamburg, for example, a couple of years ago, they use only the chair with this device and only to clean the mouth, only for hygiene. And once again, we are here to offer this solution with this Woodpecker machine that I think is super reliable and efficient. And I hope that these solutions can be suitable also for you. If you want more information, you can contact us on our email address. You can visit our website www.simple&smart.it, or you can keep going watching our videos on YouTube and we will come out with other and more specific solutions, especially especially the one where we apply this machine on the dental chair, because it's not ready yet. It will come out in a couple of months and we will put video with all the explanations and so on. Thank you for watching also this video and see you next time.